Good morning, boys and girls. We are looking at day 4 word problems. I don't know if it's morning for you, it's morning for me. So we have multi-step word problems today. So this one says, when someone donated 14 gallons of paint to Rosedale Elementary School, the 5th grade decided to use it to paint murals. They split the gallons equally among the 4 classes. So there are 4 classes at this elementary school. How much paint did each class have to paint their mural? How much paint will 3 classes use? Show your thinking using words, numbers, or pictures. If 4 students share a 30-foot wall equally, how many square feet of the wall will be painted by each student? And lastly, what fraction of the wall will each student paint? Now, I made this video not to scare you or anything like that. I just want you to know that for this part of it, you could either draw or solve. I'm not going to go through any of the work. I'm just letting you know that this process is long, it's lengthy. You're not going to get very far if you put each of these things into 4 sections and try to solve each of them mathematically. It's just not going to be possible. So for each of these, if you would like to draw it, if you would like to solve it using math, I will have no problems. If you do not put the answer in an answer statement, or if you don't put it as like that, as long as it's clear to me, I will be okay. And you will be okay too. Don't stress too much about some of these things. It's way too much. It's not really what we're used to either. So just know that this multi-step word problem process is to kind of get you into the habit of just building some perseverance with math. So if you get to a point where you just absolutely cannot do it, don't do it. Skip it. If there is one, like if you get through all of this and go, oh man, there's just one more problem and I can't even do it, don't do it. I will be okay with it. Teachers will be okay with it, and your future self will be okay with it too. So that's it for today. That's literally all it is. I just wanted to give you guys this reassurance that there's all this stuff that kind of pops up with these word problems, and I want you to attempt it, but if you don't finish it, I will be okay. I will be okay with it. You will be okay with it. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow.